Hello, welcome back. My name is Jose, and today we're going to learn three queries using the Movies Dataset in Neo4j. Hop over to the sandbox environment in Neo4j and spin up a Movies Dataset. If you haven't done so already, click in New Project, select the Movies Dataset, and click Create. I've already done so here, so I just have to click Open. Once you do that, it will prompt you into the Neo4j browser. In here, we're going to begin our first query. In our query, we're going to try the match parameter. This is a very powerful parameter. First off, we're going to look for the actors that have acted in different movies within this dataset. We're going to use the square brackets to indicate the edges for where actors have acted in. Right arrow, and we're going to also create a variable for movies. We're going to ask the browser to also return the actors and movies. There we go. That is our first visualization of our graph data set. Pretty cool. We get to see there are over 140 nodes and 179 relationship types. We can zoom in and see a lot more detail when it comes to the information presented from the graph. Now, for our second query, we're going to refine it into a smaller set of information. In this case, we want to look for America's favorite movie star, Tom Hanks. To do this, we're going to refine our query by adding the name Tom Hanks. There we go. Now we see within the dataset all the movies that Tom Hanks has acted in. There's Apollo 13, The Da Vinci Code, Castaway. Pretty cool. What if we wanted to find out about another actor? Let's say Keanu Reeves. And here we are presented with more information about his movie history. For our third and final query, what if we only wanted to find movies after a certain period of time? To do this, we're going to introduce an additional constraint. It is the where clause. We're going to limit the movies that were released after the year 2000. There we go. We have a much smaller subset of information, which is now only relevant to the parameters that we have put on the browser. That is it for today. Hope you enjoyed learning those three queries with the movies dataset, and stay tuned for more Neo4j tutorials. See you later.